everyone, it's Tammy and it's time for an Ellie unboxing. So those of you who may not know, Ellie is a subscription box and it is workout clothes, and you have to subscribe for 3 months or more. I think they do a 6-month, maybe even a year, and the price goes down each time you pick a longer commitment. But it always comes in this lovely rose gold box, and it is really just nice. And there's 2 different subscriptions. You can get one that contains 3 pieces. It's usually a top, a bottom, and a cover up or something like that, like a jacket or something. Or sometimes like a tank and then like a top, or a sports bra and a tank, something like that, and then a pair of leggings. So it comes usually with those 3 pieces. And then if you want to get the additional subscription, which is the one I get, you get 2 pieces of exercise equipment or something to help you with your exercise. So the first thing I'm seeing is something like that. This is a Marika, and they use that brand a lot, and I have no idea what this is. It feels like a tripod, but I'm sure that's not what it is. I have no idea what this is. I got some yellow blinds. I don't know what this is. I have no idea. So I have thought about maybe next time not getting whatever these little gifts are, because I've gotten duplicates and I get things like this that I have no idea. I mean, clearly it opens. Maybe this would not be strong enough, I would think, to hold somebody. So I don't know what you're supposed to do with this. Hopefully there is an agility ladder is what it says. I have no idea what that means or how you would use this, so I will have to look that up. An agility ladder in the color yellow. Oh boy. Sometimes it's neat getting things because you get things that you might not purchase, which would be this. You also sometimes get things that you might not use, which would be this. We'll see, I guess. Okay, so the other thing must be in this little backpack, and they've been doing that recently, giving you a little backpack. I think this is my 3rd or 4th backpack, and they are kind of nice. So I don't know why they're choosing it this way. So it looks like I have something pink, which is pretty. Something maybe black. Oh no, it's like purple and pink. Oh, I like it. So I'm trying to figure out what the last. Okay, so here is my other gift. And they are wristbands that I will probably never ever wear. So there we go. I could do my Wonder Woman. Yeah, not really my thing. So sometimes the little gift things, see, you can see I'm not excited about the gifts this time. And they're not really gifts because you pay more, so I paid for them, but certainly not my thing. But we shall see. Sometimes I can give them to Katie and she'll sometimes use them, or sometimes I just give them to Goodwill. So that's probably what will happen this time. And honestly, I like these bags. I think they're really neat, and they're made of, I don't know what they're made of, but they're like really easy to kind of just take with you, and you can just put it on your back, take it with you to the gym, do your little workout. And because they've given me so many, I really don't even mind if I were to lose it or to give it away. That's fine, but they are nice. I don't have any problem with the bags. I like the bags. And okay, so let's look at this. This is like a plum color. It was hard to tell when I first took it out, but I really like it. Oh my goodness, I really like this. Look at the back. Isn't that cool? So it's got all these little straps, and it has the little I think that's Marika. I think that's the brand. Let's see. Yes. And this is a medium impact removable cups. And this is in a size large. I have been getting larges because I'd gotten extra larges for the first, I think, two subscription sessions. So then for this one I thought I would get larges, and I will probably stop shortly after this. So it's really cute. Hello, here's my pup. And then, so here are the bottoms, and these are 22-inch capris, also by Marika, or no, these are the Balance collection. Sorry, not Marika. And this is a size large. So this is what they look like. And then the bottom has this pretty pink and purple, see how it like kind of goes ombre down the side? Very cute. Very, very cute. And this plum is the same color as the sports bra. So those totally match. And then I got this pink, probably tank, I'm not sure. Let's see. Oh, it's cute. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so it's a pink tank, and it has this cute little thing in the back, but then the back is open, like way down. Very cute. And it looks like it's a little bit flowy. Now it won't be flowy on this body yet, but hopefully in the not too far away future, as I'm still losing weight, I will be able to wear this the way it's intended and make it really cute with the rest of it. So this is by Marika, and it is a dry wick. Again, this is a size large. You can choose different sizes for your tops and your bottoms and your sports bra, whatever you like, but I just did a large for everything. And it is the same color, pink, as is on the capris. So it matches beautifully, and it is really cute. So see, that is what makes me super excited. That's what makes me want to continue to get it. I just love the clothes. They're just so cool, and I love the way they look. I need to try some of my extra larges on again and see how they fit, and see if I can like wear them and go to the gym. So I am excited. It is pretty cool. Let's see. So Wild Plum is the name of the color. I got the rose gold bag, white. It just says pear, but that's the little wristbands. Lotus Pink is the color of the Stella tank, and then Wild Plum again on the Chrissy Sport bra, and a yellow agility ladder. So super cute, and I am loving it, and I hope that you guys found it fun, and I hope that you guys can check it out if you're interested, because this is really cute stuff, and I think it feels very quality, and I don't have any issues with the clothing at all. And the things I don't really have issues with, other than I just don't use them. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.